In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clear balloon material. I'm using Eevee with 128 samples. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I have used Blender's built-in Suzanne mesh. Two modifiers were added to the mesh: Solidify and Subsurf modifiers. Here are the settings. Here are the full nodes. This material was created to reflect red, green, blue and white lights, to give an illusion of being a clear balloon. Please remember to enable the following options. The material's default blend mode is set to opaque, and we must change that to alpha blend. Without alpha blend, the mesh will look like a glass object. We must also turn on the show backface option. This material can be used for jewel meshes as well. Or any other meshes that require shiny reflections on the surface of the mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.